Hi guys, now we are learning for add variables. No, now we are start learning for variables. Next we can plan the derivatives. Okay, first why we learn variables because there is little time we need to declare the variable. Okay, so first we learn the variables. Okay, we know that already the variables are three types or not. Okay? I will explain I have some small mistake. I say static is what we can declare is a constant value, but it's not constant. If we declare the static, we can directly call in this unstatic method. Okay? The main method are static method. Yes, we use the static method. Okay? I have a small things like formula for you. Uh, we create the static and unstatic method. Call the value in directly static to static without create any variable. We can try this static static in I equal to 10. Okay. Now I can call the value indirectly. Okay. Now directly we run the runtime. The value is 10 because the method was the method is not static, but the variable is static. Okay. The static variable I can directly call in the unstatic method. If the method is non-static, I have an error. Where I cannot find the okay. If the variable static we are directly use this static method. Okay. So the formula is static, no need to object directly you can call. If static to non-static, need to create object name. Like I can create an object like object name is futures. I take Mari very or variable. Object name is Mari equal to new variable output by can create Mari dot compile and static to non-static. Next, non-static to static. This is same option. You can put up to create an object and get called non-static to non-static. So we need to create an object. I believe guys you understand where is static. Sorry, if create static, create a static keyword in front of the data type is called static. Static variables. And the if we create method static in the outside of the method, like main class below, it's called a global variable. If we create the integer in this side, this variable is called a local variable because the variable is declared inside the main method. Okay, I believe you can understand. And thanks for watching. Next video we will see the data. Okay.